Tensions have dramatically escalated in South Asia today as India launched a series of coordinated drone strikes across multiple locations in Pakistan. According to early reports, dozens of drones, including suicide drones, surveillance UAVs and full-scale combat drones, were deployed in what appears to be one of the most aggressive cross-border aerial operations in recent years. The attacks targeted military installations, communication centers, and logistical hubs in cities including Lahore, Rawalpindi, and Karachi. Footage released online shows several explosions and plumes of smoke rising from what Pakistani officials claim were civilian-populated areas. In response, the Pakistan Air Force quickly activated its air defense systems. Officials report that at least 17 drones have been intercepted and shot down so far using both surface-to-air missile systems and fighter aircraft. However, some drones did manage to penetrate deep into urban airspace, causing widespread panic and disruption. We're seeing a mix of drone types: surveillance UAVs gathering intel, suicide drones with targeted payloads, and fully weaponized combat drones capable of sustained strikes. This shows a significant shift in India's operational doctrine, hinting at a move toward high-tech, low-risk warfare. As the dust settles from this unprecedented wave of drone activity, the big question remains: what's next? Sources close to the Indian Defence Ministry suggest this could be the beginning of a broader campaign, signaling India's willingness to escalate tensions. Diplomats worldwide are calling for restraint, but both nations are now on high alert. With both sides now mobilized and public pressure mounting, the region stands on the brink of a dangerous new phase. We'll continue to monitor developments as this story unfolds.